But I guess the larger message we want our audience to understand is that the struggle you had to find a job, find employment with the knowledge and wisdom for just leaders not willing to take the chance to find out why, to even make the phone call, to have the question.
We all experience different things along the way. And sometimes it's that perspective that we have as, the Gen X boomers, we have a certain persona that we have when we've owned our business. And it's interesting when I talk to some of my former colleagues that are in that older Gen X boomer category that have went back into the individual contributor role. And I do ask them that similar question, and those that I've asked have kind of had the same response, and they're like, it's a reflection question, because how they do things is different, or how you would do things is completely different than how they're doing things today.
Well, I think I would send that back to what I kind of talked about earlier, where sometimes I have to just keep my mouth shut, go in there, just do what I'm there to do, right?